Hello, ma'am.
Hello, sir.
How are you?
I'm good, and what about you, sir?
I'm also good. So, can you please introduce yourself?
Yes, I can introduce myself. I am Anjali, and today I am here on the behalf of Inside Academy English, and I study in 11th standard.
So, with which stream are you studying?
I study with the commerce stream
With maths, without maths.
without maths.
Okay, that's a good point. So, are you scared of maths?
No, I am not scared of maths, but my teacher said that uh, it's okay. You will not take maths. You can do anything. Uh,
Okay, like without maths also you can make your future bright.
yes, sir. You are
But I
right.
was talking about you. Are you individually scared of like taking maths?
No, I'm not scared of taking maths.
So, why did you not take?
Because my teacher demotivated me. You should not take.
Your teacher demotivated you that
Yeah.
you should not take maths.
Yes, sir.
But you were able to take maths.
Yes.
Am I right?
Yes, sir. You
And
are
you were
right.
not scared of mathematics.
Yes, sir. You are
You were
right.
desirous of solving mathematics problems and all. But still, just because of your teacher, you have to hold it like this, okay? A little upper. So, just because of your teacher, you did not take maths in your class
Yes,
11.
sir.
Am I right?
Yes, you sir. You are right.
So, do you feel regret about this?
No, feel. I don't feel regret.
So, what are you interested to talk about today?
Um, on any topic.
You do not have any topic?
Now I don't have any topic.
Really?
Really.
So, you don't know that what should we talk about?
Yes, I don't know.
Okay, so today I want to talk about English.
Okay, so
Do you know about anything English?
yes, I know something about English. English is a very popular language in India and also in foreign. People used to speak in English.
Okay, so I want to ask you a basic question. Like when you came to this tuition, we were not here and we did not have that environment that we have right now. Because if I talk about the seats arrangement, so we even did not have that many seats so that you all can sit there. And these walls were not there. And we did not have a proper background or a proper environment in which you can study. But still, I truly believe, I'm truly proud of my each and every student. Everybody supported me and no one left my tuition, nobody left my tuition, and all of you were there. And you know the it was the season of which season was that? It was not cold, it was summer season. Okay, and everybody was sweating. Okay, but still you were studying there. We were turning on the fan and we were like भैया बाहर निकालो. I was like अंदर जाओ बाहर जाओ मैनेज करो ये करो वो करो. We were facing lots of issues. Were we not? We were. But still, each one student of mine supported me in my hard time, and they did not leave the tuition. They managed there somehow, and you came in that scenario. So, what is your experience about the teaching? And when you saw me first time, how did you feel? Like, yeah, is he able to teach me or not? Because yeah, it's very obvious because I'm not that elder, and whatever the things you managed there, so do let me know.
When I came to Inside Academy,
Yeah.
I felt that you are not the owner of Inside Academy because you are so young. In my opinion, you are so young. So I saw so many people who teach English. They are looking like very older than you. So I was thinking that, and then I came here. I don't know about modals also. Should, can, could, will.
You did not know
No,
about anything?
I don't know. But oh, sorry. I did not know. Only but
No problem. You can use basic in Hindi. Why are you like scared of using Hindi language? We should be proud of it.
I did not know. Even I did not. I did not know any chapter desires of about to like. Uh, I have completed 4 months in this tuition, and today I am able to speak in English in front of everyone, and I am not scared of speaking English. So
So the method through which I teach you, is it a proper method? Is it a helpful method, a good method, effective or not?
in my opinion, it is a very good method because I understood every chapter very clearly. May, might, must, every chapter, useful structure also.
Yeah. So now how do you feel? Like if you compare your day one with the day that is after 4 months. So how do you find yourself? Where do you stand? Like are you satisfied with your fee? Are you satisfied with your time that you have given to this tuition?
If I compare myself with the first day of this tuition and after completed my 4 months here, there's so much difference between me, because when I came there I don't know anything about English, and now I am able to speak English and I know so many chapters.
Yeah, that is a good point. Even you are also able to teach your elder sister or younger sister,
Yes,
elder
I'm.
brother or younger brother, whomever you want to teach, so you can teach them very easily. But my motive is to make a perception in the society that if when it comes to speaking English, then everyone can speak English. I'm also in my learning phase. I'm not like the you can say a professor of English. I know that I speak English very fast, but I do not speak English in a good way. I do not speak English with the you can say the correct pronunciation and the accent because I'm not familiar with all those concepts. I was not taught those things in my time. But I'm taking it very seriously, and in future, I would also like to learn all these concepts, whatever are left, and I would make myself capable of speaking in a proper manner with the correct use of each and every accent and pronunciation, so that I can also make everyone around me able to speak like me. Because speaking English is very important. I should not teach you, I should not tell you that what is the importance of English, but at the same time, speaking English in a proper way is also very important. There are only 10 to 20% of the people of this country, India, those who speak English without any kind of accent or a pronunciation mistakes. Accent is not anything. You can use your own accent, there is no problem, but the pronunciation is very important. And if I tell you a basic thing, we say a को क्या बोलते हैं हम ABCD में? ABCD. वो a नहीं है, that is a. दैट इज ए.
Uh,
यानी अगर आपको फैन बोलना है, FAN फैन, दिस दैट इज नॉट फैन, दैट इज फैन. वैन, वैन नहीं, वैन. देयर इज अ डिफरेंस. यू शुड जस्ट रियलाइज इट. देयर इज अ डिफरेंस. इफ यू हैव टू से बैन, हम कहते कहते बैन लग गया, बैन लग गया. इट्स नॉट बैन, इट्स बैन. इट्स बैन. बैन, not ban. It's ban. So yeah, these are the minor differences that we do not know about English, and due to which we speak very bad. But it's not our mistake. Do you know why? Because we have been taught this way since our childhood. We have been taught that ABCDEFGHIJKLMN like this way. So we make sentences in the same manner and we pronounce them. Okay, now next question to you. So like after learning English, where will you approach? What will you do in your future?
After learning English, I would like to learn more and more English, and speaking English very in daily uses, in daily life with my whole family and with my brother sister also, and also with you. And I will I would like to prepare my competitive exam also.
Okay, so now do you have any question that you want to ask?
I don't have any question.
No, if you think, then you will have. Think, please, because you will have to ask some basic questions. So that, did you write? So if you do not have, so you can also get help from that, but that will not make a good image of you.
Let me think.
Yes, you should. Brother, are you sleeping? Hello, are you feeling sleepy? Please don't sleep, otherwise
Uh, According to you, what is the difference in you before learning English and after learning English?
before learning English and after learning English, what's the difference that I observed in myself?
Yes.
Actually, I do not have any kind of journey in which I learn English, but you can say like when I learned English, when I had that confidence that yes, I can speak in front of everyone, among the people, and even amongst the people also. So I was like, I was really feeling very admirable. I was really happy. I was very glad. It's not just because of English. It is also because of the perception. I belong to Uttar Pradesh, and I also belong to a middle class family. So in our family, if someone is speaking English, so they feel like that, भाई ये तो this man is studying, this boy or this girl is only studying, इसी का तो bright future है, यही बंदा है जो perfect है. So it was the image that used to be. So there I decided that yeah, I will have to speak English, and mathematics is my favorite subject, and English is very closer to me. It's very close to me, and I have scored maximum marks, my maximum grades in English. Okay, and I was always connected to English. when I was in my class 9, so I took English tuition for 1 year, and in class 10th also I took English tuition for again 1 year, because I was from UP board. So in UP board you have a proper book of English grammar. So from that day, I was aware of each and everything in English, but still I did not have the confidence to speak. I had the confidence to make sentences, and I was tutti frutti English. I was able to let it be. Okay, but when I learned English properly, and when I thought that now I'm able to speak, so I was feeling really glad. I was able to understand the questions, I was able to understand the people's voice, I was able to understand the other things also. And this way, like I would humbly request to each one of you that you should really try to learn English, whether you are living at your home or somewhere else, because you know we all are in our learning phase, and we do not get the results very soon. But if somehow you learn English, and after learning English you are able to speak English, you are able to observe yourself that yeah, you are doing good, you have done good, so you feel very confident about yourself. You feel that yeah, you have at least done one thing, you have achieved your one target, and this way you get the confidence to achieve the other targets also. So I would highly recommend to each one of you to learn English. And if you are not able to come or not able to join any kind of institutions around you, you do not have to come to only me, you can join any tuition around you, but you should join. You should invest your money on your education, because that is very important. That will help you in every manner. Today whatever I am doing, whatever I am, whatever I have, just because of a single thing, and that thing is my knowledge of English. So if I can do all these things, so you can, why can you not do? Although I have not achieved so many things yet, I am planning to. Okay, so this was all about my English experience. Yeah.
So would you like to wander out of Delhi?
Yes, I would like to wander out of Delhi, but not now, because nowadays I don't have time.
So in future, where would you like to go?
First of all, I would like to go my hometown.
UP.
Exactly. It's been around 1 year since when I haven't seen my grandparents, and I'm missing them a lot. So that's why I would go there first of all.
Do you like your grandparents?
I love my grandparents.
So would you like to live with your family after getting success?
No, I would never like to live with my family after getting success. And what is the definition of success? Success is not like that there is an apple that you just plucked from the tree. It's not like that. And I'm still living with my family. I'm not with them just because that I have to chase my dreams. I want some freedom. I want to be independent, and I have other responsibilities also. I can make this environment in this house because I own this. So this is the reason why do I live apart from my family.
Your parents doesn't give you freedom.
So that is the reason why I have opened this tuition, just because of the freedom. They are very good to me, and I'm very lucky to have such kind of parents.
Okay, so
Yeah. Okay. So nice talking to you.
I also.